Yeah. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about flstudio mobile new update 4.2. Yeah, stay tuned and watch until I show you some of the new features. And make sure you subscribe for me, like and comment down below. Tell me what you think about this video. Yeah, man, music never stops playing. You know that. I got more content, more music, more stuff, more loops. But now, was thinking of getting a microphone, you know what I'm saying? So first thing first, let me start by slice. FS3 Mobile have updated a new thing in it that it allows you to slice some samples. You know, you just cut it into chops, you chop it up. Let me show you. You can cut it into pieces so that you can get different variations, and then it's up to you when you sample. Is this slice is good for sampling? Because I love sampling, so I'm gonna make a tutorial on sampling while I cut and chop some samples in FL Studio Mobile. Yeah, man. Another cool feature updated in FL Studio Mobile is the FX filter. FX like a robotic sound effect. It allows you to add some variations and do a lot of good crazy stuff. Also with the trans delay, FS3 Mobile also added a trans delay. So when you chop a sample, you hold and slice the part that you want to slice. It will cut into two. What can I say, man? FS3 Mobile just keep on improving. The FX filter got so many parameters that you can use to trick your sound. Just don't wanna lie much. Music is good when it's felt. So all these things you just have to experiment, you know what I'm saying? But